Hi, so we're here today. We're gonna make what we're gonna make. We're gonna make Old Mama Colman's Ye Olde chocolate cake recipe. We're gonna make a lovely chocolate cake. Dead easy, dead quick, really quick, and tastes really good too. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need butter. You're gonna need what's this one? Baking powder, a little bit of baking powder. Self-raising flour. You're going to need what's this? This is a dark brown sugar, soft brown sugar. Dark brown. You're going to need dark brown soft sugar. You're going to need cocoa. Haven't got any cocoa, so drinking chocolate. It seems to be the same thing. Milk. That's about it for ingredients. So here's what you're going to do. Sorry, forgot. You're also going to need an egg. You need an egg. We're going to preheat the oven, gas mark 4, or 200 for a regular oven, or 180 if it's a fan. Step 1, the boring bit, you're going to take some greaseproof paper. You're going to take a regular old cake baking tin. You're going to take I've got my standard issue teacher's red pen. I'm going to draw a circle around the bottom of the tin, and I'm going to cut that circle out. Once we cut that circle out, we're then going to grease the tin, put that circle of greaseproof paper in the bottom of the tin. It stops the cake from sticking so you can get it out again. Don't forget to do your bottom as well. Doesn't have to be perfect, it'll do. There it is there, lovely. It's 1 cup of soft brown sugar. So it's also 1 cup self-raising flour. 1 egg in a cup, topped up with milk. In it goes. The fiddly bit, we're after 4 ounces in old grandma's terms, 4 ounces in new money, you're talking about 112 grams of butter. So I've got my scales, I've got my bowl, in goes the butter. Each of these, I don't know if you can see, they're marked in 50s. So I'm after about probably that much. So I've got my batter, looking something like that. Next step, we've got to soften it. We've got to liquidize it. What's the word? I'm going to stick it in the microwave, 30 seconds, so it comes out all runny. 30 seconds later, I've turned it into melted butter. Take a bowl, chuck in the flour, chuck in the sugar, take the cocoa, 2 big tablespoons of this, 1, second one. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That'll do me for that. In it goes. So that is all the dry ingredients. There you go. All stirred up, like Bob Marley. So in goes the butter, in goes the milk and the egg, the whizzer. All done. Take a look, like that. You can lick your fingers at this point if you want. Dip and lick. The cake in the tin, it looks like that. All gooey and chocolatey. Ready for us to cook. Into the oven we go. You're going to set your timer for 60 minutes. Or 1 hour. Time for a quick tidy up. So far, so good.
Where you is where it's at, and you can't beat that with a baseball bat.
14 minutes to go. Looking all right, but I'm going to take a check. To check your cake, just take any pointy stick or something. I've got a cocktail stick. dipping it in. Does it come out clean? I wouldn't say exactly clean. So we're going to go for that extra 14 minutes. These are exciting times. The cake is ready. The time is now. I'm going to turn the oven off. There we go. I'm going to take the cake out. So here we are. The cake is out of the oven. I've checked it. I'm going to give it 5-10 minutes at least before I take it out of the cake tin. So here we are, our finished product, a beautiful chocolate cake. You'll see that I've topped it off with a little sprinkling of ice and sugar, but you could equally, you might choose to, top it off with a splattering of Nutella. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look at that. You can see the top is hard and crumbly. The inside, I think you can already see, it's going to be soft and delicious and smooth. Let's make some space. Here comes, look at that, look at those crumbs. Oh, what a beauty. Here we go. Look at that. You can see the steam coming off. Give it a little tip. Who can turn that down? There's our finished product. An hour in the oven and a few minutes on the table, well spent. And there's going to be a few more minutes well spent munching this on down.